We have to assemble excavator. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Excavator. Choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. You're doing really great. Dig up a basin ditch. Let's wash. Excavator. You're doing really great. We need to assemble bulldozer. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Press the pump. Done! Make a platform for an arbor. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. You're doing really great. We need to assemble pipe layer. Amazing! Filling pipe layer. Pump. Hooray! Lay pipes for the pool. We need to wash pipe layer. We did it! We have to assemble dumper. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Dumper. Pump. Keep it up. Fill up sand and gravel. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Cement mixer. We did it! Filling. Cement mixer. Press the pump. Amazing! Fill the first layer of concrete. We need to wash. Cement mixer. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. We did it! Finish the bottom of the pool. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Don't stop. Build a formwork for the walls. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. We did it! We have to assemble. Concrete pump. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Concrete pump. Pump. Keep it up. Fill the pool walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Lay the tiles. Let's wash. Drop side truck. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Crane truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Crane truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. Make the arbor frame. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! We have to assemble. Dumper. Don't stop! Now we need to fill it. Dumper. Press the pump. Hooray! Prepare the backyard. Now we need to wash it clean. Dumper. We did it! We have to assemble. Bucket lift. Amazing! Filling. Bucket lift. Press the pump. Keep it up. Prepare the arbor. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. We did it! Add some greens. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep it up. Arrange the furniture and equipment. The construction is complete. What a great pool you've built! Hooray!